So I'm going to try to introduce the new cuisine of Korean style, a Gim Ssam. Sometimes they call the maki, but it's more Korean recipe. All the vegetables is very healthy and lean diet. And as you see, the key component is a Gim Laver, or sometimes we call it the seaweed, but I prefer laver. It's a healthy food, and Korean product is best quality, and so you can buy it from a Korean supermarket, H Mart or somewhere. And then another, the key, the material is this. Okay, what do you call? Avocado. So avocado. So strangely, avocado acting as a meat, very flavorful and rich flavor inside of as a wrap. I'm going to show you a demonstration later. But so and that, and the secondly, all any kinds of vegetable is okay, but normally bell pepper like this. So prepare it. I just skipped. Sorry for that, but later if I do it again, I'm gonna show all the preparing process. And this is a masa in Korean and imitation crab. And then this is a egg. So make a thin spread egg after mixing up. I use 5 eggs here, and then like a paper thin. And the thing is, to make a wrap inside the lever, like a skinny chopping, okay, slice like a slice, okay. And then also here is a cucumber. Sometimes you don't do it, but okay, this is again one good thing. And then another thing is a yellow radish. This is also sold in a Korean supermarket. Okay, I'm gonna show how I can wrap and then eat it. And then also the sauce is soy sauce. If you want to just add a little bit, make it hot, spicy flavor, then add mustard or wasabi whatsoever. Okay. I mentioned soy sauce and mustard. And mustard, I'm using a Korean product and from the Korean supermarket like this, yeonggyoja. Okay. And I will show you how to wrap and then eat. So first, these are like a wrap, like a taco or Korean Ssam style. Put the lever on as a plate, the base, and add 1 or 2 like this, whatever you like. Thank you, Chloe. And cucumber, crab, and egg. What else? Avocado. As I said, avocado is the key. But fully ripe, that is a more flavorful. This I little bit early from Costco. It's not ready, but better taste. Ready for fully ripe. Okay, and then yellow radish. Okay, but most importantly, as I mentioned, Chloe is helping me. Thank you. And then there's a soy sauce and gyoza, that mustard combination. Okay, so this is a good shape, and wrap around like this, like a taco style, a ssam in Korean. This is a Gim Ssam, I told you. So let me show you how it tastes. Very good. As I said, this is a very healthy cuisine, diet food, and a lot of vitamin and a lot of good vegetables. Still tastes good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like my video, leave your comments. Thank you.